salmon salad. There are lots of smoked salmon salad, but this is one of my best.
Lemon, cucumber, shallot or onion, white radish, tomato, avocado, mango, iceberg or baby jam lettuce, plus shredded iceberg. As soon as we shredded this lettuce, we need to soak in the water so it's become nice and crisp.
If your food looks beautiful and well presentable, that's attract people to eat more and more healthy food.
Mango and slice, that will look nice. Tomato, let's slice tomato. First we'll de-seed and then we're gonna shred tomato as well. So any fruits and or vegetable you cut in, try to cut in a give you a better look. If you prefer dice, it's up to you, but I prefer this shredded julienne. So let's mix all the vegetable together in a lettuce. Let's chop shallots and mix them nice and slowly. Let's mix dressing now. So here I took olive oil, malt, vinegar, black pepper, salt, and whisk it nicely, at least for a minute. That will become nice and thick. And now I'm gonna mix together. Here I got some jalapenos, black olives, and green olives. I'm gonna add in this and mix it, toss it nice and easily.
Nice and smooth, nice and smooth.
Here I got smoked salmon. This is 500 grams smoked salmon. I love smoked salmon. It's one of my favorite. Eat smoked salmon, stay healthy. This is a perfect lunch, especially in the summer. I eat all the time, summer, winter, because I prefer my diet food, so I'm always making new salads. So here you go, your smoked salmon salad. The beautiful smoked salmon salad is ready and ready for rock and roll.
See you in the next video.